What if one assistant could help manage your entire day? In 2026, that's exactly what AI is doing. AI assistants have evolved far beyond setting alarms and answering questions. They now organize schedules, summarize meetings, and automate everyday tasks. Planning a vacation? AI can recommend destinations, compare flights, create itineraries, and even help manage your travel budget. For professionals, AI is becoming a productivity coach, handling emails, prioritizing work, and helping teams stay organized. AI is also helping people track expenses, monitor subscriptions, build budgets, and make smarter financial decisions. From wellness goals to smart homes, AI is making everyday routines simpler, healthier, and more efficient. In 2026, AI isn't just a technology trend. It's becoming a daily companion for millions of people around the world.